as an STL file. You save it, and once you've got an STL file, you can double click on it, and it's already in a format that 3D printer can then start to understand how you want to layer that thing out. So I'm using Cura, which is one of the programs that we use for telling our 3D printer how we're going to print the part. There's the 3D printer, there's the part that I've chosen. If you tell the computer how much your roll of plastic costs, it can actually tell you the price of this part. So to build this little part costs $1.25. It's 45 grams worth of plastic, and it's going to take about 3 hours and 4 minutes to print. We've had quite a few prints that have been more advanced that have taken from a day to almost a day and a half to print. The jet engine that you probably have seen at this point, that my son sent me, took, he said, well more than 300 hours of printing to build all the components and then put it all together. So it takes a little while, but it's still pretty amazing that something that you can think of and be able to, represent within FreeCAD, you can then turn into a solid piece of plastic that you can use for whatever it is, the requirement is.